Good day guys, it's Influence Tech here, and in this video we're going to be learning the basics of HTML. Okay, first of all, what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language, or rather say HTML is a standard markup language for web browsers. You can create a website with HTML. And we have some type of text editors we use in writing HTML codes. We have our notepad, we have our Visual Studio Code, and the rest of them. So now we're going to be starting with the notepad. I will start with the first part of HTML, which is the declaration. We started by writing our doc type HTML. Okay, which is basically declared. Okay, let me make this bigger so you can see it. Which is declared only once in HTML page. So we have to start our HTML body. Under our HTML, we have our head tag, open and closing of the tag. So this right here is the opening tag, that's the head tag, and this right here is the closing tag. Same applies to the first and this other one. So under the head tag, we'll have a title. We'll have a title. Open our title tag and close our title tag. And let's say we'll give this title home, for example. So we'll flip the path for the head and let's go into the body. The body is a part that is visible to the browser. So under body, let's just go into HTML headings. We have heading 1 to 6. As the name implies, heading 1 to 6, it decrements, like it reduces. Heading 1 bigger than heading 2, heading 2 bigger than heading 3, 3 bigger than 4, 4 bigger than 5, and down to 6. So 6 is the smallest, and 1 or heading 1 is the biggest. So we declare them by saying H1 for heading 1. And let us try to declare it even like hello world. Okay, hello world. And let's save it. Let's save our work and do it in the browser. So I have to save as, I have to select a particular folder. I already have a folder created, other documents, YouTube. Okay, I should have a folder here. Site HTML. Let's save it here as index.html. I'll have to set or save the type as all files. So we have to save here. So let's go look for our folder. So you can see here the document has already been saved. So let's open it with our, let me see, I'll use Chrome browser. So as you can see, what we just did has just been displayed here. The hello world that we just written, low HTML code we just read as displayed here. Right now, you can look up here, you see the title that we gave it home, which is this, being displayed up here. And the statement hello world also displayed on our browser. So let's just go down and check out the rest of the headings. Let's say H2, okay, sorry, H2 hello world. I have to copy this hello world, make it easier. Okay, let me close the tag. H2, H3, closing tag, H4, closing tag, and H5, closing tag. Okay, I have to clean these errors here. And the last one, which is our H6. Okay, so let's have to save our work and check it out on our browser. I have to refresh it. So I can see right here, H1 bigger than H2, H2 bigger than H3, and down to H6. As I said, H6 being the smallest and H1 being the biggest phones or the largest phones. So these are some HTML, how we display our HTML code on our browser. the declaration type that makes it visible on the browser, which is a doc type HTML, our starting points, our body, our head, and our title. So this will be all for this video, and watch out for next video. We're gonna do some other works on HTML. And thank you.